Hello there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Biz Insights. In today's video, I will be talking about the platform called Paying Social Media Jobs. In this short review, I'm going to reveal what this platform is all about, and I'm going to also tell you whether or not you can make money with this platform. I'm sure you are looking for some opportunities how to make money online. This platform is marketed as an opportunity for people to earn money by managing social media accounts for individuals and businesses. And they even claim you can make more than $170 per day. That sounds like a great earning opportunity, but I'm here to tell you that it's not what it looks like. So what am I talking about? Do I mean that the paying social media jobs is a scam, or is it the legit? Well, the platform is legit. And let me also show you that the platform has quite good traffic. In April 2023, they made some investment in Google Ads. As we see, and in the last year, the website gets about a couple of thousand visitors per month, which is quite okay. When we also check the Google Trends, and by checking the term paying social media jobs, the term is still popular, and when you search for the keyword, you see that on the first place is the paid social media jobs position. So I wouldn't call it a scam, but let me walk you through the process, how it works, so you don't have to. Let's click here to apply for the position, and we need to create our account. Get instant access, cool. And here is a short survey saying that we need to fill the application to apply for the paid social media job position. All right, so let's say United States, 23 hours. Do you have reliable internet connection? Of course, Facebook, Twitter. One more thing, this hasn't been updated for a while, since we know that at the time of this recording, the September 2024, the Twitter is now called X. They could use the new name of the platform as well, but okay. How many hours a week do you spend on social media? Let's say 7 to 9 hours, and let's continue while one of our agents reads and processes my application. Sounds good. I will be redirected within 5 minutes. Okay, we are there. They need more paid social media workers from Slovakia. Let me stop right here. Wherever you are, you will always see this message. We need more paid social media workers from whatever region or country you are from. It's gonna be the very same message. So let's go over here. Is the next stop. We're currently offering a huge discount. That's cool. So it's not 97 bucks, it's 27 bucks. So what does it mean? I have to pay in order to find the job? That's interesting. Let's do this. And it says 27 euros. ClickBank. So let me tell you what's gonna happen once you pay for the product. You will enter their dashboard. There will be some basic training on how to do this job. The training, it's very shallow, it's very basic. You won't have enough information about how to do this properly. Besides, all of the information that are within the training are available also on YouTube or on any other website. That's not a real issue, at least for me. You're expecting that once you pay for the platform and you go through their training, you will get some list of job opportunities where you can apply, and once you finish the job, you will be paid 100 or 170 bucks a day. That's not the case. Unfortunately, this is not how it works. Let me tell you how it works. Once you pay for the platform, you will be redirected to websites like Fiverr.com, freelancer.com, or upwork.com. You have to find the job by yourself. What was the point of paying 27 bucks for the paying social media jobs? Let me show you what was the point. The point for paying the 27 bucks was that these guys who are behind the paying social media jobs.com, that they earn even more money. Meaning, besides the basic training and links to those freelancing websites, you are promised to earn even more once you pay even more. Let me show you what I mean. This is payingsocialmediajobs.com website /affiliates, meaning this is for the affiliates of the paying social media jobs. So when you scroll over here, you can see the upsell flow over here, and you are told to get 70% commission on everything. What do I mean by that? You can promote this very same platform, meaning paying social media jobs. You'll get your own affiliate link, and you can share the link on a social media or on a website or on YouTube. And when someone pays those 27 bucks, you'll get a commission. On top of it, if this person failed to find the job he was expecting, he wants to get more, so he will pay even more. And that's why these upsells. He thinks that the platform will provide him with the more training or more opportunities, and he will keep paying more and more, and he ends up paying probably a few $100, and you as an affiliate will make 75% of commission. So if you are asking, can I make money with the paying social media jobs? Well, in theory you can if you start promote this product. So hopefully I made myself clear. If you think this would be a good idea to promote such a product and to earn 75% commission, let me tell you that since this is a ClickBank, every customer who pays for the ClickBank product has a right to get his money back if he is not satisfied. And there is a 60 days money back guarantee. So if people that would buy the product from you are not satisfied, they will ask for the refund. That means no commission for you. So I don't think this is a good idea to promote the product. Let's also check what other people says about the paying social media jobs on Trustpilot, and we see that the paying social media jobs, first of all, they have detected some fake reviews for the company. Almost 60% of reviewers gave only 1 star to the paying social media jobs. That means that they're not satisfied with it. And as you can see, they say all staff recruiting is a scam site, scam alert. Okay, this guy says that it's a good one, and this guy says it's a scam. There is no job on the site. I couldn't get a refund. Well, this is interesting. If you wanna know how to get a refund from a ClickBank, just check the video above, and there is a short video where I explain how to get a refund from a ClickBank. ChatGPT very politely mentioned that this could be likely a scam. That's right. And they want you, the customer, to do is buy more. That's what I was talking about. That's these upsells. So you just keep paying for nothing, and the guy who promoted gets the commission, unless you ask for the refund. So as we have seen, many reviews are fake, but I don't think these 1-star reviews are fake. So is it a scam? Well, it's a very misleading product. And my main issue with the paying social media jobs is that on one hand they promise you that you can make more than $100 a day, but once you are inside of the dashboard, you find out that the reality is quite opposite. It might be a borderline scam, but I think it's safe to say that this is a very misleading. It's not worth of your time. So if you really want to know how to make money online, it takes more than just a few clicks. And the very first thing you want to do is to create your own website. That would be your headquarters. You start create content on the website. You can build your business based on that. So if you have questions about the paying social media jobs or any other question about how to make money online, let me know in the description below. I'm here to help you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.